Hello, friends. We often complain that our kids don't listen to us. So, today I am going to narrate a true and a real life incident that has a very important message for all of us. And this incident comes from the life of the great saint Ramakrishnan Paramhansa. So, let's hear this. One day, Ramakrishna Paramhansa was sitting among his disciples. A poor woman came along with her son. She too was also the disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhansa. She came with a plead and said, Gurudev, this is my son, but he has got a very bad habit of eating sweets almost every day. My warnings, scoldings, and even beating has no effect on him. They all have been in vain. Please do advise. Please give him some words of knowledge and wisdom so that he stop these bad habits. Bless him, my Gurudev. Ramakrishna Paramhansa looked at her son, but he did not say anything. Instead, he told the woman, You come to me after 2 weeks. The woman was a bit perplexed and she could not understand why Gurudev did so. But she did not dare to question him back, and she exactly did what her Gurudev had said to her. She came exactly after 2 weeks along with her son, and after they both were settled down, Ramakrishna Paramhansa looked at her son and said, My dear son, is it true that you trouble your mother for sweets every day? The boy hung his head and said, Yes, sir, and then became silent. Ramakrishna Paramahansa said, You are an intelligent boy and you know what is good and what is bad for you. This habit of yours is not only spoiling your teeth but is also troubling your mother a lot, as she cannot afford sweets every day because she also has to bear other household expenses like getting books for you, new clothes for you, and many more expenses. Don't you think you are doing a mistake? The boy again said, Yes, sir, and then became silent. Ramakrishna Paramhansa said, I know you are a good boy, and if you stop this habit of yours, it will not only help you in having good teeth, but will also not trouble your mother further. The boy smiled and looked at Ramakrishna Paramhansa. Ramakrishna Paramhansa, in a very appealing tone, told the boy, Stop eating sweets every day. Your mother too is worried about you, and you know you can do that. The boy smiled and said, Yes, sir, from today onwards I will stop eating them every day and will not trouble my mother anymore. He bowed his head before Ramakrishna Paramhansa and went out into the garden. Grateful mother could not stop herself and asked her Gurudev, Gurudev, this is a miracle. Today, your wise words have changed my son forever, and he is convinced, and I know he will leave this bad habit. Then why did you make us wait for 2 long weeks? Ramakrishna Paramhansa smiled at the woman and said, My dear, the day when you came here, I too was having sweets almost every day that the devotees brought. How could I tell your son not to eat sweets when I was having it almost every day? My words would have fall flat on him because they would have lacked that sincerity. So, the day you said your problem, I stopped eating them, and the abstinence from sweets for the last 2 weeks gave me enough strength and power to appeal the same to your son. My words had that sincerity, and that's the reason that was appealed to the listener. All the devotees out there in that room also got a very important message that yes, we should practice what we preach, and that's the reason whatever the saints say, they have that the power of and the strength of sincerity in those words, in those golden words. And the monks have that power because they practice it in their own life before they preach that to the mass. And that's the reason those golden words appeal to the listeners, and the listener follows it religiously. So I think we all got that important message. So practice before you preach. Thank you.